Right, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about outdoor gear and my outdoor adventures. We have another Nomadik unboxing for you today. This is the June 2023 box. If you're interested in learning more about this subscription service, please visit thenomadik.com. Alright, let's see what we got here. And I do not see a card, which is probably at the bottom, so we'll find out more in a second. So the first thing I have here is a set of bamboo cutlery by To Go Wear. I've gotten similar sets in the past. They're super lightweight and really easy to use. So, next thing I have in the box is a foldable grill by Exploria Supply Company. So, this is a fold-out grill, ideal for cooking meats over an open fire. As you can see, it's got a dimensions of 10 by 5. Folded, it's got a 5 by 5 and a weight of 4.1 ounces. So let's take a look. Ooh, gotta love that plastic, which I'm sure is just killing my sound. So, looks pretty simple. It just simply folds out and sets down. It doesn't appear to have any kind of supports, so it's going to need to sit on a log or something, because otherwise it goes back and forth. So, the next item that I can see here in the box is a can cooler by Fuzi, 12-ounce standard can. Let's get into this and see what it looks like. Well, this is a pretty standard can thing, although I do happen to like the handle here on the side. It is stiffer than most. This would not fold down. It's got weather strapping on the end. It does feel fairly sturdy. So that is your can koozie by Fuzi. It's got a chromium thermal barrier, an anti-gravity elastic hand strap, and then it is ultra light. I do agree, it is absolutely lightweight. Now, what else do we have here in the box? I see I have Camp Salt by Desert Provisions. This is a green hatch green chili salt. You know, this isn't my cup of tea, but I'm sure I will find somebody that I go camping with that will be their cup of tea. Ooh, very nice, very nice. I am a huge fan of the Fozzles gear, and this is their flexible cutting board 2-piece, one large and one lightweight. So they are non-stick, flexible. It does not give me any dimensions on the side, but they do have a ruler here along the edge, which is always handy. And they've always got these cool guided maps on them. Let's see if I can get them out real easy. Yeah, they have these little tabs here to help keep them together. So like they said, they got a bigger one and then a smaller one, and they fold back up together. So you put those up, put that back through, and now they can go in your bag or your camp box real nice and easy. Let's see if there's anything else in here. There is not, and there is not a card that I see, so I don't know what the theme of the box is, but I think it's pretty obvious. This is the camp cooking box. So we've got a Fuzi can cooler. We've got some To-Go or Togo bamboo cutlery. We've got the Desert Provisions camp salt. We've got the Fozzles flexible cutting board. And then lastly, we have the Exploria Supply Company folding grill. all of which will go into kits I have for camping. So, if this kind of content interests you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, please comment down below what was the most interesting thing you think we got in the box this month. And until next time, happy trails.